Hello everyone, this is your boy Kelvin. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do a very short video for Kegel exercise to boost your testosterone. So let's do a quick one. So to boost your testosterone, walking is part of it. Eating good, it's part of it, and exercise good, it's part of it. Okay, so I'm going to give you some tricks, some little exercise that also boost it and also strengthen your pelvic floor muscles. Okay, so we are going to just do a very short, not short, just let's do it for you to get it clearly. Okay, so our first routine, first exercise, we are going to do each exercise 30 reps. Okay, 30 reps. Maybe I will pick 3 exercises. Yeah, so just follow up and let's do it together. So we are going to do plank, step in and out. So this plank, step in, good. It's good for beginners to do it slowly like this. Okay, but if you are going to do it old school to boost it, yeah, so we have to do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. So this exercise strengthen your core, strengthen your shoulders, your arms, and strengthen your pelvic floor muscles. So it's really good help, and it boosts your testosterone, your energy, your strength to be a man. Okay, so next exercise. So this sumo squat, we call it sumo squat pump. Okay, so you make sure you go down, sit proper, go down nicely, release your arms in the middle of your thigh like this. So you can sit here like this, just relax. Don't stress, don't strain or struggle any muscles. Don't press any muscles. Relax, breathe, and out. So you may know or you may notice the moment you do the squat, you may be here. But when you relax, you will find yourself going down and down. So it's open your pelvic muscles, stretch it, and also strengthen it, and allow the blood to flow very good, all the way from your head to your toes, down, all the way. So you relax here and pump little. Okay, you pump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, sit, breathe out, breathe in. Relax. Very good. And now come up and lift. Ooh. Good one. So this exercise 2. So keep doing this. It will also boost it, strengthen your pelvic floor, strengthen your core, and nice one. So the next one is going to be hip thrust pump. This hip thrust pump, it also benefits for your pelvic floor nicely and strengthen you, and also it flow the blood very good. So we have the open legs, good. We have closing legs, nice. So this one we are just opening it a few inch, yeah. So we move from here, you pull yourself up, good. Your hands down, nice. So here, don't strength or don't struggle any muscles, just relax. Allow the blood to flow, good. So stay here, you will feel the pressure all over here, your thighs, your glutes, your core, your back core, your front core will be slowly relaxing until you start to pump it. Then you will start to feel it also. So relax. 3, 2, 1, and pump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stay here. Breathe in and out. Allow the blood to flow. So I'm feeling it all the way to my pelvic floor muscles. If you know the muscles very well, you will know it when it is target. So I can feel it all over there. All right, and slow down. Ooh. So that's for the day, for today. Okay, another day we will come and continue. All right, so stay on, stay tuned, keep watching, keep learning, don't give up. This is your boy I Kelvin, and I'm out.